In this video, we show you how to fix PS5 stuck in safe mode. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if your PS5 keeps starting up in safe mode and you cannot get back to the normal home screen, it usually means there is a system software issue. The first thing you can try is simply restarting the console. So in the save mode menu, just select restart PS5 and see if your PS5 just started normally. If restarting doesn't work, the next thing to try is clearing the system cache and rebuilding the database. Go down to option 6, which is clear cache and rebuild database. First, select clear system software cache and press OK. Let the console restart. If it still goes back to save mode, go back to option 6, but this time select rebuild database. Once it's done, see if your PS5 starts normally. Alright, the next thing to try is to update your system software. In the save mode menu, select option 4, update system software. Choose update using internet. Your PS5 will try to download and install the latest system software update. Alright, if none of the previous steps worked, the last resort is to reset your PS5. Take notes that this option will delete all your data, confirm that you want to reset, and the process will begin. There's more drastic option, which is number 8, reset PS5 and also reinstall system software. And you'll need a USB drive with the reinstallation file downloaded from the PlayStation website.